Hi guys! Good day! In this video, we will be doing an activity using this software Solidworks, and this is the figure that we are going to make. So yeah, without further ado, let's start. So the first one, we will press this space bar and click this. And we will try to make a line and click this front plane. And as you can see, this is the origin. So the first thing we will use is the center line. It will serve as our guideline. And always remember that we should start at this origin. We'll make a line here. And a certain center line again here. And the next step we will make is to use this smart dimension and point it from this up to here, and the distance of this line was a combination of these three measurements, which is 43 plus 37 plus 78 is equal to 158. So we will click this and change it to 158. Enter. And then the distance from this up to here is 18. We will point here to here and enter 18. And then we will use circle. From this origin, we will make a big circle, circle again, and circle again. Also on this side, we will just extend this line. Next is to insert its smart dimension, the measurements. On this side, we have 130, 80, and 46. Smart dimension. And on this left side, we have 52, 34, and 16. And the next one, we will insert a line from this center up to here. And use the smart dimension to insert its degree, which is 45. Next, we will insert a small circle here. And the measure of this small circle is 8. And then we will use this circular sketch pattern and point from the center, and the entities to pattern is this circle. And this is right, it is 4, so we will check it. And then on this right side, we will insert a line from this on any distance, and then we will offset it bidirectional, and the distance is 3. Enter. And then remove this line that we use to offset, and then trim the excess line. After that, we will again use this circular sketch pattern and click these 2 lines and change the number of items to 7 and check. And the next step is to trim the excess lines. And the next step that we will going to make is this arc on the top. We will use a 3-point arc and point it from this side of this smaller circle up to this, and click. And then the radius of this arc is 180. And don't forget to add relation. Click this and this side of the circle, place this and click tangent, then check. Add relation again on this side, tangent, check. After that, we will offset this arc, offset, reverse, no, and the distance is 20. Enter. And then we will remove or trim the excess lines. And then the distance from this up to this is 20. Next, we will again use this 3-point arc and point it from here up to this, and the measure of this arc is 12. Enter. Again, don't forget to add relations. Then trim this excess line. Next is an arc again from this side naman. Oh, we forgot to trim this, so we will trim it. And then click this 3-point arc, and the measure of this arc is 10. Edit it and change it to 10. Enter. Then add relation, remember that. And then trim this excess line. And then after that, we are now down to this bottom part of our figure. So first, we will make a line from here up to here, measuring 78. Then align again from this up to this, which measures 37. Next is align again, this time from here up to this, in line with this point and in the center of our big circle. Next, we will fillet this part. Use this fillet, click this line and the other line and change it to the radius is 20. Yes, 20. Enter. Check. fillet again on this, click this and this. This time the radius is 12 rather. And then 3-point arc again from this line to here. The measure of this arc is 12 also. And again, don't forget to add relation. We will just extend this line. The next one is to fillet this part or offset, I mean. And the distance is 20 centimeter also. And trim this excess line inside the circle. And then we will going to fillet this line, and the distance is, or the radius is 8. Enter. This time we will use this 3-point arc and point it from here to here, and the distance of this arc is 5. Don't forget to add relation. Next is to trim this excess line. And then we will insert a line from here up to here. And then we will again use this fillet, point it from this line and this. And the radius is 14. And insert a 3-point arc. And don't forget to add relation. And the distance from this line up to here is 20, so we will insert that. It must be 6. Yeah, that's right. Enter. So yeah, this is our product, and also this is our basis, and as you can see, it was already complete. But as you can see on the bottom, it was underdefined. And for this to be fully defined figure, we will remove all of the dimensions that we used to check it. So we will remove it. And we finish removing all of the dimensions, and the next step is to select all of this and go to Tools, Dimensions, Fully Defined Sketch, and then Calculate. And yeah, as you can see, it was already fully defined. And we must remember that it is important that our figure is fully defined to prevent changes. Also, because the main requirements for 3D modeling is a 2D fully defined figure. Remember that. So it's up to you if you will adjust these dimensions. So yeah, we are already done to our first activity in SolidWorks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep faithing, and God bless.